Annyeonghaseyo, Maheshri Imida. Welcome to Korean Learning Week. Today we are gonna learn how to say these words in Korean. So those words are anybody, nobody, anything, nothing, anywhere, nowhere. So let's get started. The basic word we use here is amu. Amu. So by adding na to the amu becomes amuna. Amuna. Anybody, anyone. Amuna. Amuna. Anything. Amugona. 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 Anywhere. Amudena. 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 So for all these positive words, we add na suffix to them. Then coming to the negative words like nobody, nothing, nowhere. So for those words, we use do suffix. Do suffix. Amudo. Amudo. Nobody, no one, like that. Nothing. Amugotto. Amugotto. Nowhere. Amudedo. Amudedo. Amuna. Amugona. Amudena. Amudo. Amugotto. Amudedo. So by learning just nobody, nothing, nowhere, you're not going to use those in any sentences like that, because the sentence formation with the nobody, nothing, nowhere is completely different, which we are gonna explain with some example sentences. So this video is gonna be in two parts. In first part, I'm gonna explain anything, anybody, anywhere with some example sentences, and then the second part will be in for nobody, nothing, and nowhere. And there is some bonus also. So I'm gonna explain these amutena, amumaldu, amumarina. All those words in end of the video. This is the bonus. So do you want to learn these words? Please completely watch the video. Then coming to sentences, so amuna. Amuna is like anyone, anybody. So amuna also 있어요. Amuna also 있어요. You just try to translate these sentences as per your knowledge, and then I'll reveal that. Let's do like this only. Okay. Amuna also 있어요. Anyone can come. Amuna also 있어요. It's like something, there might be a public or meeting is going on. Then if you ask like, how can anyone come? So then they reply like amuna also 있어요. Yes, anyone can come there. So like that. 아무나 할 수 있어요. 아무나 할 수 있어요. So this is anyone can do it. You already know that hada is verb for to do. So anyone can do it. So it's like very easy thing and anyone can do it. So you can say like that also. And there might be some context. So if I explain it like situation also, then the video will get long. So just remember these example sentences and try to use these words amuna and whatever we learn in this video. Try to make sample or example sentences and just comment below, then I'll check that so that you can practice well. Next one is, so let me repeat this. Amuna also 있어요. Amuna also 있어요. The next thing is amugona. Amugona is anything. Anything. So amugona is basically amugot. Got is meant by thing. Amu got ina. So if you want to add na to the word which has a bachim, here the got has a bachim which is siot. So you have to add ina. That will become amugoshina. Amugoshina. That's also correct. By the time being, it just transformed into 아무거나. Examples are 저는 아무거나 먹어요. 저는 아무거나 먹어요. I eat anything. It's like if someone asks you what do you wanna eat, then you can just say 아무거나 먹어요. Then like 아무거나 좋아요. Anything will be fine, like that. Then the next one is 아무거나 주세요. 아무거나 주세요. Give me just anything. Like if you want to buy something, or not a particular thing, if you went to go buy a pen and they ask you to which one, then you can just say 아무거나 주세요. You just need a pen, but anything that. So then you can say that just give me anything. 아무거나 주세요. 저는 아무거나 먹어요. 아무거나 주세요. Next one is anywhere. 아무데나. 아무데나. Or like any place also. Anywhere, any place is 아무데나. Here they means place or place, which they is used to describe a place. Then example 아무데나 좋아요. 아무데나 좋아요. Anywhere is good, anywhere is fine, and I'm okay with anywhere. So like that. Coming to the situation, you can just say, so can we go somewhere? Where should we go? If someone asks you like, can we go somewhere? Where should we go? Then you can like 아무데나 좋아요. Anywhere is okay. Anywhere is fine. Anywhere is good. So that it's like I can come anywhere. Anywhere is fine for me. You can decide. So these are all the inner meanings. And the next one is 아무데나 가지 마요. 아무데나 가지 마요. Don't go anywhere. Like don't just go anywhere. If you're just going without thinking, then someone might suggest you that 아무데나 가지 마요. If they want to request you, 아무데나 가지 마세요. 제발. So you can say that you can use these like that also. So 아무데나 좋아요. 아무데나 가지 마요. With this, anyone, anywhere, and anything has completed. All these are the sample sentences. So now in the next lesson, I'm going to explain these nobody, nothing, nowhere with the sample sentences. And please make so much sentences. Please try to make sentences. That's how you can learn, you can practice, and please comment them. No, it's not. You don't feel any shy. It might get wrong. Just please, even in the romanization also, you can just try to make the comments and make the sentences. That's how you will get this thing. And let's meet in another session with nobody, nothing, and nowhere. Thank you. 감사합니다.